Okay, first of all, it's super humid, so you see all this right here. It's my hair being frizzy, and it's super gross outside. So now I have to walk all the way halfway across campus because my teacher didn't send out the email that our class was meeting this one building. So now I'm screwed. I'm definitely going to be late today. It was like a sign. I was like, meet at the Moody, 7th floor. Bullshit. So I got this shirt and I got this cup. It says safe is the new sexy, so I'll probably wear this for another video to talk about some certain things. Wow, it's been like a while since I've done a vlog. I have about 4 hours before my next class, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna film. I need to film one because I haven't been on for a long time. What was that accent? And of fucking course I'm using the filter. I have pre-Shark Week right now. My acne is so bad on my face this month. It is awful, awful. And then like my body temperature is like up too high or it's down too low, up too high, down too low. It's really pissing me off. So I'm wearing this hoodie and I better stay cold all day because I don't want to be sweating because I don't have another shirt. And then I really want food. I really want food, but I don't know what I want. I can't eat a lot of the stuff that's around here anymore because I don't eat meat. And also 2 months vegetarian, started yesterday. I'm so proud of myself. But I'm kind of tempted maybe getting a salad at Subway. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it'll be cheaper since I don't have meat in it because all their sandwiches like normally have meat. I got a sandwich one time or sub, whatever you want to call them. I call them sandwiches. But I got one and it was cheaper because I didn't have the meat in there. So maybe that'll be the same for the salad because the salads get pretty pricey. And I was like, ooh, for a salad, maybe it'll be cheaper because I don't have meat in it. I'm hoping. A girl can dream, right? I can dream all the dreams. The farther away, excuse me, the more decent I look. So I'm just gonna keep this all the way over here so you don't have to see me. Just like keep it at this angle so you don't have to see any of my like acne bullshit that's happening right now. But these lashes though, this one's a little fucked up, but they cute. And the reason why I say this one's a little fucked up is because it was giving me so many problems this morning, and I'm just gonna have to deal with that one. But this one looks pretty decent from what I can tell. I'm too tired, so maybe I'm wrong, and then I'm gonna look at this footage later and be like, what the fuck are you talking about, Michaela? Your lashes are trash. Oh yeah, so I might be doing a Wish haul soon, depending on when all my stuff comes in, because you know how they only come in at sporadic times. And then Hush, I have a package coming. So the separate one that I have for the brushes, something happened and they're like, thank you for messaging us, we'll contact you back in 72 hours. That's not okay. No, like I understand like the busy flow that you have, but I would like a response in like I get 48, but like charging it to 72 hours, no, I'm just impatient probably, but still. What would this vlog be without my favorite filter? Sorry for that burp, but it's so cute and I've missed it. I miss doing vlogs. Oh my god, I need to start doing them again. And you guys are probably gonna be like, oh my god, stop it already. And yeah, I feel like I did so many that like nobody liked them enough. I don't know. Comment down below if you like my vlogs or not, if I should continue to do them. I hope you guys say yes, because they're fun to make, but at the same time I feel like a lot of people don't like vlogs. I guess it just depends on the person. Okay, so I got Subway because it's super close to my school, and also they have stuff that I can eat besides meat, which is surrounding my whole school. This is the first Subway that I've encountered that they actually kept the price the same as if I was having meat. But literally I asked for a veggie wrap and they still charged me as if I was having meat, which was really frustrating for me because like, I mean, I get it, but still, what the fuck? Other Subways have worked with me and they're like, oh, we'll like knock a few bucks off because you're not having meat. And I'm like, okay, cool. This is the first one, like the one that I normally go to, but the other ones that I've been to that work with me that aren't at my school, the one at my school, of course, is like, no, we're not gonna knock a few dollars off because we're gonna charge you the same price. So yeah, paid $6.99 for a fucking wrap. A fucking wrap with just veggies in it. No meat at all. Just veggies. I'm annoyed. And then my Bluetooth speaker thing wasn't working. I was panicking and I had to connect it, and then I had to start it. I had to pair it when my phone volume was low, and then it was able to turn up louder, which was really weird. I found it very odd and just like, I don't know. And there's a teacher pulling in the parking lot, so let's hope that he does not snitch on me. Cause like after 5, anybody can park here, so he better not say anything. Like, that's fucked up if he does. But yeah, I got a veggie wrap, and I mean, it looks good. It's like a spinach wrap and everything, but at the same time, I didn't want to pay that much money when I've been paying $3 less. $2 to $3 less or whatever for a veggie wrap instead of getting meat in it. The struggles of being vegetarian, I'll tell you that much. Struggles. So yeah, I'm eating a wrap that is technically the price of a meat one, so that's fun. Fun. So I'm leaving class. I'm really fucking tired though. Forgot I gotta change this. Alright, what's gonna be? Alright, happy Tuesday. Update. Subway is going to be emailing me soon because they messed up, and they actually, because I made a tweet about it, and they tweeted me back and they're like, DMS, and they're gonna solve my situation that happened because I shouldn't have paid $7 for a veggie sub. So update on that very soon. I'm so tired, but that was like the best workout. Like, I'm just gonna go to the gym tonight just to do that dance routine because it's so fucking cute. So I just got my Hush order in. I'm gonna do that haul in a little while, probably tonight. But yeah, it came in a little over a week, but here we go. Okay.
I didn't write your name on it, but there you go.
I gotta get.
I love that. Can you send that to me?
You look pineapple. I love pineapple. Look at you with your pineapple. Are you sure? Yeah.
That's good.
You're so nice.
So I'm currently checking with this foundation. I'm not liking it so far. I don't know. Now I feel like it's really oxidizing. But at Walgreens, I mixed all my foundations together, and I mean, I don't know if I hate it or like it. In my video I liked it, but now that it's like really sitting on my face, it feels very heavy. My mom's like, get regular chips, but these are literally like, oh shit, I don't want those, I dropped those. Oopsies. They're literally $5. What the fuck? This is my favorite aisle of the whole store, besides makeup, is alcohol. So they have these squirter toys at Walgreens, and literally the water comes out of their wrists. I want it. But I bet you it's stupid expensive, which is gonna suck. I can't find where they're supposed to go. I don't want to ask, so I'm gonna put it back. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I just need to get the nails and the chips. So this little guy fell in the water. But get off. Get off. Please. Oh God, this is a mistake. It literally flew off my hand. Oh my God. I did a good deed, people. I saved a gecko from drowning in despair. Tips of advice. Don't waste your time on hoes, okay? If he's acting up, don't waste your fucking time. Don't do it. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. Yeah, on top of that, just in general, guys from Tinder suck. So you would expect to find at least one decent person. No. What I meant to say was no, they all generally suck on there. So it's like, why even try? But I suck at social interactions, so that's why I'm on there. That was a really ugly face. No wonder why nobody wants to date me. That's why. So every time I take care of these cats, my throat gets worse and worse and worse, and I'm so stressed. Oh my God, it's good. No, let's go outside. Where'd you go? There you are. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's Bunny. Look how huge this fridge is. Hold on. Wait. What? Oh, it's so fucking heavy. Oh my God. Where's the food my mom made me? It's gotta be somewhere. Maybe it's on the other side. I don't know. I'm so overwhelmed by this huge fridge. Oh my God. Ooh, this is mine, dude. Oof. Nice. Ow.
Where did that come from?
Probably Bear Village. How the hell do I know?
The bear, the gun.
Running. So it's St. Patrick's Day. I'm really congested, as you can tell still. I didn't realize how allergic I am to cats now. Like, apparently really fucking allergic. But it's St. Patrick's Day, so I'm wearing green. I even have it underneath my eyes. But I literally was gonna go out, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna go out for St. Patrick's Day. I'm gonna have fun. Nope. I am congested. I feel like death. So this sucks. First year being 21, and my first St. Patrick's Day is a flop.
Is it coming out?
Oh, the butt's just sticking. Its little paws are so cute.
Toby, what are you doing in there?
Some more comfy now that there's a blanket in there.